MIT uses shadows to help self-driving vehicles see around corners. MIT researchers developed a new system that uses small changes in shadows to determine if there's a moving object coming around the corner. Autonomous cars could one day use the system to quickly avoid a potential collision with another car or pedestrian, MIT said. However, MIT revealed that the system has only been tested in indoor lighting conditions so far. Karma's 1100 HP concept EV goes from 0 to 100 kmph in 1.9 seconds. California-based startup Karma Automotive unveiled its hinge-winged all-electric concept car, SC2, that can deliver 1,110 horsepower and go from 0 to nearly 100 kmph in 1.9 seconds. SC2's twin electric motors deliver 800 kilowatts of peak power, with over 14,200 nanometer wheel torque and about 565 kilometer electric range. Karma said. The concept was unveiled ahead of the 2019 Los Angeles Auto Show.